Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's the day. Hopefully we get the engine out and we could finally see the damage, because I've kind of looked and I couldn't find anything, but it's there. The damage is there. I just can't find it. And so decided to just put in another engine. Engine's already here, you can see. So we're gonna put in another engine, but I've decided to completely go back to stock, and I'm gonna get rid of the car. Yeah, it kind of sounds a little bit sad when I say it, because I am a little sad about it, but I think it's time. I've had this car for 6 years. It's just time, you know, for something else. And I've had my fun with it. The car has been a great car. I mean, I beat the hell out of this car. So let somebody else, I guess, enjoy it. Well, I mean, in stock form, I guess. I got big plans on what's next. I got about 4 or 5 different options that I want. I got one unicorn option that I could maybe swing. Just gotta figure it out, and so it might be a little while before I can even get it, but I mean, maybe towards the middle or the end of the summer. But it might be worth it. It'll be stupid worth it if I could make this happen. And I think I can. I'm pretty close to that I can. So let's get started. Danny's on his way. I think Rob's gonna swing by. My boy Pat with the GT350 is gonna swing by. Just give a hand. I think we can get this engine out today. I don't see why we couldn't. I haven't really touched it because I just didn't want to. I've been hot all week, and I don't know. I've been busy as hell at work. I just didn't want to mess with it. So let's get ready to tear this sucker apart. I know it's kind of a sad day though. I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little sad, but it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Everything comes to an end, and it's the end of the line for this car with me, at least. So whoever gets it's still gonna get a good car, and that engine's got lower miles than the car has now. So the other engine. So let's get going.
1 hour later.
Update. Radiator's out. All cooling's out. Upper intake's out. Next, I'm gonna get under there, tackle turbos. I got Rob here, he's helping me. Hopefully we got more people coming, but I don't see no reason why we can't have this engine out today. It's not that bad. Honestly, it's not that bad. I've been at this for like an hour.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
All right, guys. So update number 3. So far, well, crap. We ain't done that much, honestly. No, we got all the intercooler piping is off. Exhaust is off. So intercooler's off, everything. So we're getting there. Turbos are coming out next, and then disconnect the trans and cables, and this sucker's ready to come out. I'm gonna pull out the starter here in a minute too. So we're getting there slowly but surely. Hopefully have it out here. I think we can have it out probably in a couple hours, but we're getting there.
There's the hole. I found it. I think it's a bigger hole than you think, honey.
Oh, I'm sure it is.
It extends down.
You can't see the other one.
No, I've got my phone up in here. I can see it on the phone screen. Yeah, it extends down.
Alright. Yeah, that's fine. Keep pulling. I got some extra. Keep pulling. I got some slack. Okay. You're good. Whoa.
We might have to go from underneath.
That's fine. We should go up around the low pan and then up through, like, the motor mount through to Rob. Oh, this is going to be fun, boys. Always going to be exciting. Alright.
Done.
Done.
Oh shit, this shit might actually work.
Oh, what you think?
All right, it's time. Here we go. We're gonna attempt this.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see.
Let me get up there. Let me get up there from the top, see if I can work something.
You want to bring the motor back down?
Hold on, I'm gonna see what. This wedge up top.
The motor's wedged up here too.
What do you mean it's wedged up here?
Well, no, it's off. It's angled, but it's not.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
It's not like
figure
wedged
out
like
how
it
to-
was. I mean.
Yeah, no, that should be fine. The motor should be fine.
We have to figure out how to make it come up evenly.
This was trained.
Come on, Pat. Why don't you keep struggling? Make sure we ain't missing something.
Okay. The only part I felt up there, the only part, I mean, I don't think there's...
Let's lower the engine. See if we can lower the engine some.
Okay.
Let's lower it some, Rob.
Go ahead and put it back on the studs then.
Yeah, put it back on the studs. Wait, go back up. Go back up slow.
It went up. I did slow. I did.
Go
Go back up again.
It goes fast.
I didn't even touch that thing one time.
I know.
This side's already on the stud.
Alright, go down. Go down. Alright. Alright. Dude, there's a bolt in there, man. I see
There
it.
is?
Yep.
Oh, shit. That's mine.
Alright, give me a 13.
Yep. I was like, it's just not, bro. It had to be. Hey Marty, there's 9 bolts in NT82.
We all learned something new today.
You sure did.
Bring it all the way down to the mount.
It's
I
all.
don't want this bitch to.
I think it is, honey.
It's all the way down.
It's all the way down. It's like sitting.
Yeah, I can go. Let me see. Let me
No,
try.
this side is.
Well, that side was the high side. This is the. No, it's all the way down.
Maybe we can slide the trans back a little
Yeah,
bit.
that's what I'm thinking. Just put it on back in the studs and then we'll try to pull it back now that it's kind of out.
Alright, it's on the studs.
Okay. It's stuck on your side, Marty. Can you go under there with a fucking color bar? And... What the fuck is holding you? Make this shit happen.
Hold on. Hold on.
Okay. I'm holding on. I love pulling transmissions. It's my favorite.
You're an expert.
Yeah. What I control.
Let me get down there.
Okay.
I don't know. I can't really see
Yeah, it's gonna have to
what's
come
the pitch though.
It's gonna have to come from down here.
Same. It's coming out. It's fucking coming out.
There, dude, it's coming, it's coming! That's what she said! Whoa. I think you're out.
That's what she said. Michael.
They come out?
Yeah, I think you're out. All right, Marty! We pulled the motor, baby!
I know. I'm pretty damn proud of myself.
Getting the fuck out of my
Click in
head.
the bottom.
What'd you hit him?
I don't know, trying to
Something
move
under there.
and
Something under there. Okay, gotcha.
I'm glad we got that radiator out of the way.
Yeah.
Because it was not coming out.
No, definitely not.
Probably that's probably screwed or push pinned in.
I'm sure it is, so it doesn't get tension pulled on it or something.
Right, exactly. Oh, look at that cute little motor.
Little more man, more power, yours.
Until it didn't.
Do it.
What follows is a brief construction montage. We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage.
Yeah, it's this one. Those are just tied up together.
You need to take this out to get
Yeah, it's hold on, dude. How do I get this out? This is so fucking weird.
Come on, boys. I just pulled the motor for you guys. What else do I What else do I
Apparently
need?
you need to get that clip out of
What
there.
else do I need
Is
to
that a
do?
locking clip in there? You see that?
I like how he just turns the whole
Right.
Like, oh, just turn it. Fuck it. Hey, whatever, bro.
This is very easy to work on it this way. You can't squeeze it. Look at
There you go.
Use your big man hands.
How many guys does it
Oh, look
take
at that.
to
Okay,
get
I'll
one
use
clip
my
out?
big fucking man hands.
At least 3, clearly.
It's got some, it's got a,
I need this. Yeah, it's got one right here. That's it. It's alright, I'll get this wire for you guys too. Thanks, I appreciate it.
thanks, Pat.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Anything for you guys.
I know.
You're the fucking homies.
That fucking big old switch is gonna go through there.
I have no
It will.
option.
It will.
It's a broke engine, so
We're good, we're good. You just gotta do a little fucking finesse.
There we go.
A little fucking finesse, boys.
Everything is down with the cobra.
are we saying
Marty.
it takes an engineer to take a broken V6 out of a Mustang? Is that what you're saying?
That's what we're fucking saying, Kristina.
You know what's hanging it up a little? Your shoulder a little bit. This fucking thing. Yeah, you can just pop it up now. Trying to.
You got it?
Alright, it's out.
It's out, but it went.
One way or another. It's
Did you
out.
break it, Pat?
Nope.
Did you break it? Now you did.
Now it's good.
I didn't break it.
Now you should be able to
You can pull the motor out though.
pull straight back.
It's disconnected.
Let's see.
Careful, watch the radiator. Go ahead.
I'll say that's as much
Go ahead.
give as I've got.
Go up with it.
Up,
Go
up,
with
up.
it.
It's gotta go up. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
It's gonna go
That's
off.
good, that's good. You're good. Watch the cord underneath, Rob. The cord, that cord. Yeah, that big. There you go. You're clear.
Alright.
It's in there.
Where is
It's right behind the strap.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look at there, look at there. Ooh,
Why don't you take this out?
See that beautiful window
You want
Marty
to
put
lay
in
this
there?
on the
We're gonna lay that part on that other pallet.
another pallet. But you're gonna have to take off those bottom.
We're gonna hammer them out.
You have to hammer them out. Yeah.
Hey, you did a great job there, buddy. Great job.
Hey, not my first rodeo. I did this actually 2 weeks ago.
Alright, guys. There it is. So, it wasn't that bad. Wasn't that bad. Probably took 6-7 hours to do. And if it wasn't for that, I had to remove the turbo kit. It probably could have been done in 3 or 4 hours. So, wasn't that bad. Getting a little hot in here, but no big deal. My boys came out. We all hit it hard. Thank them. You guys pushed through. We got this done. So, there's the new engine. New-ish. New, but there's her car as she sits now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think on the whole idea of going back to stock, the whole idea of getting rid of the car. Throw me some guesses on what's next. You never know. Chances are that it's gonna be a Mustang. I don't know, 25%. But there's a lot of other options out there that I'm excited about. But time to move on, boys and girls. Just time to move on. It was she did a good ride. It was a good ride. It was a good long 6-year process, and I enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoyed all the content I was able to make with this car. And everybody else moves on. 6 years is a long time for me, especially for me owning a car. So I want to thank you guys for all your support, especially on this car. So I hope you guys stay safe out there. We'll see y'all later.